so we three stay here. My lovely cat, Flame. So today we are gonna do something. Today we wanna go to a restaurant. Oh my god! Wow. So we are gonna go to a restaurant today and fill our fridge. So let's get started. Actually, this is not a restaurant, this is a food store. Hello, fast. Come fast. So here we go. Nobody is here except few people. This is a sushi counter. What should we eat? Let's do a food challenge. See, look at the theater over here. It looks nice. Can we get the spicy curry here? Sure. Here you go. Can we get a normal curry? Yeah. Here you go. And this is for you. Let's eat. Fine. Everything is fine. Okay. So, nobody's here. Nobody. Someone should work over here. Oh, here you go. Okay, so now you're gonna buy some sushi from here so to fill our fridge. Can we get a sushi? Sure. We only need this much. Sushi. Let me eat one. I love sushi. Do we need anything else? Can we get a hamburger? We already have hamburger. Yeah. Take this. Do we need some pizza? No need. But why we need some pizza? At least 3 is enough. For you, me, and this girl. Fine. What pizza do you like? Cheese. We just take cheese. I will also have cheese. She needs vegetable. Will she eat it? Just take it. Oh yeah, candy store. We need some candies. Yeah. Do we need donuts? For sure. We need donuts. So you will have the brownie. She will have the donut. And I will have the blue one. And a lollipop. I want some lollipop. What is this for? Yeah, we need a lot of stuff. We don't have enough space. Does anybody want a cupcake? No need. This much is enough. Yeah, I guess this much is enough. So let's go home. Yay! Hello? Finally, we reached home. And we have some food.